What's up YouTube, it's Taco Twans here. Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday night. We are about to close up the shop and we are going to be heading out for a quick camping trip. This is Gabe, Andrew, the Tundra, and today we're going to be taking out the Razor. We're going to be testing this thing out on the trails, see how it compares to taking a Toyota like the Taco or a 4Runner or an FJ. Definitely not the Tundra, it's not gonna fit, but we are getting ready to close up everything, pack up all the trucks, and head out here. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, after about an hour of driving, we are here near Red Cone. We've decided to make base about, I think, 2 miles from the Red Cone Trail because there's no camp spots over there. But yeah, we're about 2 miles to the Red Cone Trail, and we found a pretty cool spot where everybody can fit, flat, has a fire pit already. So we're gonna get set up here and hang out here for the night, and then tomorrow we're gonna take the Razor out to maybe Red Cone, or this is a pretty cool trail here too with some water crossing, so we might just stick around here. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys around the campsite a little bit. We got the Taco and the trailer way out here where there's a lot more open spot. Here's a Razor that we're gonna be taking tomorrow. That's my dog peeing. JJ, hello. JJ, hi. This is Gabe's. Go in here. Peeps chilling. Hi guys. Hello, quiet people. Awkward. Patrick's parked way over here. Andy boy. We got Corona over here. And here's big boy Tundra. All flat already, don't have to level it. But yeah, this is the camp spot. Super nice spot. I'm glad we came down here and just literally just turned in and boom, wide open spot where everybody can fit. Awesome. Did you find the love of your life? Yeah. Mr. Gabe here, setting up his Skottle. Mr. Corona here. Got some shrimp and scallop tacos coming up. Leroy, what do we got? Ribs. Korean short ribs. Gonna have a little cook-off here. What does the winner get for the cook-off?
Food.
More food. All right. Sounds good.
Wait, what did you say?
A punch.
No sympathy.
Is that a punch?
It's a punch Andrew in the face.
We do the flipping.
You like catching things.
Would y'all look at that? Damn. Tortillas for days. Is this that secret sauce?
That's secret sauce, right?
Oh, shit. This stuff delicious. Watch. Throw it at Patrick. See if he knows.
Look,
Patrick. Patrick. See, look at that. You're the only one.
Does Aspen know what that is? The heart? Yeah.
She even knows. What the?
So we do it to each other.
How cute!
See? That's what love is. I thought I almost called you Andrew. Gabe. It's because I was looking at him.
This is why you're still single.
Well, now you know, and now you'll get a guess.
Yeah, just walk up to a bitch and be like,
Gabe, but do it right. You gotta do it proportionately. There you go.
What the hell is that?
There you go.
big hands, I guess. I don't know.
Let's see the Korean heart.
Do that to
Look at
To
that.
Haley.
See that?
That's not proportionate. Thumb's way down.
Bro, look at you. This is what yours looks like.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you
Make
go.
it, you mean make it bigger.
Yep, yep. That's how you
I'll
do
just
it.
do it like the white girl way.
That takes too
Yeah,
long.
that's-
This is so much.
That's not
easier.
cute. dog.
Do you want some?
How's it?
Dos pinchería entonces.
That's when you know it's good.
This is stressful.
How's it?
Yeah.
Bueno?
Yeah.
How's it?
Exactly. What is that? Like colorful thing? Is it so that you can see it? Oh my god, they're so small. That's the biggest one there.
That's mine.
Whoa. Hello?
That's so funny.
Hey. Put them all on.
Mmm.
We can stack the boxes up and attach it to the vessel.
Alex bomb.
I mean, if
This probably needs a few more minutes though, huh? I think those ones need to go in the middle.
it'll be like sand bomb. Sound. That chicken's pretty good.
Mmm, juicy Lucy.
No.
You do. It's like $60. I'm like, okay, fine. Cheating. I thought you were cheating.
Oh. That was fast.
Lighter fluid.
Oh.
You're recording?
Mexican together.
What the?
Oh, I thought
Chorizo egg tacos for breakfast. And bacon. Thick boy. That looks good.
Huh?
Beer o'clock already? Damn. Bacon? Seasoned bacon? Crazy tasty bacon? Never had those. Let me see the finesse of a true taco maker. He just slaps it on all professionally. You're gonna fail, it's gonna get in your face.
laying on their dick.
Mm-hmm.
It's like half a garlic, 5 serranos, 4 avocados.
You're sharing the secret ingredient?
On YouTube, dog. Something wrong with you. It's on the internet.
Oh, is it?
Damn, a whole piece?
So like the key, like the
Monster, that's gonna be salty.
We'll see. God damn it. I'm be scared. I'm a little bit scared. Clockwise?
Yeah.
No, no, you do. Yeah, wait.
Oh no, what's she doing? I didn't know she was growing so much right here. Oh my god, he only has 3 cards.
Stop!
Hey!